Hey guys, welcome back to All Things Antonia. My name is Antonia, and in today's video I wanted to do something a little different. So we're in my living room and we are on my new couch, and as you can tell by the title, I am going to be doing my Christmas wish list for 2018. So yeah, this is gonna be just a fun little video. I'm actually in my little Christmas attire here. So we're just chilling. These are my DIY pillows. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. But just chilling here today, and I thought, you know what? I've seen a lot of these videos going around YouTube, and I thought, I want to do that also. So this is just for fun. If you're watching this and you know you're gonna be buying me a Christmas present, some of these things doesn't mean I expect you to get that for me. This is just for fun. So some things maybe you might want to get, so take notes. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I didn't make a list of the things I'm gonna be mentioning today. I'm actually just gonna kind of do it off the top of my head here. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so the first thing I want to ask for Christmas is gonna be some home decor. So if you watched my Where Have I Been life update video, then you know that I am a new homeowner. I've recently purchased a house and I'm still trying to get things put into place. There's some new furniture I'm gonna need, and I just got this new couch, and so now I'm just needing things to match the new furniture that I'm getting. I still need more new furniture. I need a new coffee table, end tables. Pretty much my whole color scheme is gonna change. So those are the types of things I'm gonna need, is just like home decor type things. Even small things like hand towels for my guest bedroom, bathroom, or hand towels for my half bathroom that is downstairs. Just little things like that that you wouldn't necessarily think of, but like little things that come up like that. I need some things for my walls. I haven't hung up any pictures or anything just yet on the walls because I want to make sure I'm getting like good statement pieces that actually tie into and match, you know, my color scheme, my decor. So as you can see, there's a huge blank wall here behind me, and I have an idea of what I want to put up here. I want to do like a mirror. I'm thinking about going with silver pieces, so maybe like a large silver mirror up here with maybe some type of sconces or something on each side of that. So yes, I have found a mirror that I think I like, and yeah, so stay tuned for some home decor hauls and things like that after the first of the year. So I want to get through the holidays and Christmas and then get back on track after that, and then I'll focus back on my home decor. But yeah, so I need things like that. I need a new rug to go like underneath my coffee table. And in my bathrooms upstairs, I do want to do like a white and gold type of theme. So yeah, I'm gonna need some towels and hand towels and bath mats and, you know, stuff like that to kind of spruce it up and, you know, give me the vision that I have in my head, make that come to life. So it's gonna take some time. You can't do it all at one time. You can't furnish a house all at once. You know, you still have bills to pay, and you know, you gotta live. So yeah, so if anyone asks what I want for Christmas, I would definitely say something for my house, some type of home decor. Yeah, things like that. I would say I want for Christmas is some equipment for my YouTube channel. I would love to have like a camera, like a vlogging camera. I would love to have a lighting system. I want the whole like ring lights, umbrella lights, box lights, like I want a whole setup. I feel like I do okay with my lighting right now, but sometimes it's just off and it's so frustrating. I love to be able to film when it's just a nice, you know, sunny day, not too bright because it can be too harsh of a light, but at just the right time of day when you're filming in natural light is so beautiful. So I try to get as many videos filmed as I can when I catch the good lighting. But sometimes, you know, we've had a lot of rain here lately, and you know, it's been cloudy and overcast and just a gray sky, and you know, it looks like it's gonna snow, but then it doesn't snow and the sun never comes out, you know. So if I had, you know, a good lighting system, that wouldn't be an issue for me if the sun decides to not come out that day. So that's something that I definitely want. I had looked at a lighting package on Amazon, and it's been in my cart for a couple of months now, quite a few months actually, and I just never, you know, placed the order. So that's one thing I would love to have as a Christmas gift, is a lighting system for my YouTube channel. Also a camera, because I'm currently filming on my iPhone. I did get a new phone over Black Friday, so I went from the iPhone 6S to the iPhone 8, and I do feel like the camera is a lot better on the 8 than it was on my old phone. So I'm hoping you can see some type of improvement here in my last couple of videos. I'm hoping that, you know, the picture is a little bit more clear and sharp, and I'm hoping that the volume is a bit better as well. I feel like it is when I'm editing. I feel like I see a difference. So so that's one improvement. But yeah, there's still more that I want to do with my channel, but you know, there's only so much that you can do at one time. So, you know, it's baby steps. I've only been doing this for about 7 months now. And so, yeah, but I do want to focus more on things that's going to help my channel grow. And I feel like, you know, that's going to be a major improvement. So, you know, definitely it would help to improve the quality of my videos. I was also thinking about maybe getting a mic that you can like clip on to your shirt or whatever. So that would help also. You know, I'm not the loudest speaking person, so you know, trying to project my voice, sometimes it can, you know, become kind of difficult. And so I want you to be able to hear me and hear what I'm saying and speak clearly so you can understand what I'm saying. And I think having a mic would help with that as well. You know what? I could use a new flat iron. My hair is in a ponytail today because I got caught in the rain tonight, so I got caught in the rain, and so yeah, my hair is just kind of doing its own thing. So I'm gonna have to flat iron my hair, but I want a new flat iron so bad. I was looking at a Chi. I don't have a Chi currently. I was looking at a Chi from Ulta because they had them on sale, but I don't know that I want to use a Chi iron. I was watching the Glam Twins here on YouTube, and I have been following them for so long. Their hair is beautiful. I even have their book that they wrote, and you know, I follow a lot of things that a lot of tips that they give as far as taking care of natural hair. And the flat iron that they use is called, oh, I can't remember. I don't even want to try to butcher it. But I was thinking about getting the flat iron that they use to straighten their hair, and it's a bit pricey, more than I was wanting to have to pay for a good flat iron. So yeah, so I would love a new flat iron for Christmas. But I am going to be doing a video on how I straighten my hair, so I guess this is kind of perfect timing that it happened now. Someone had asked me about how I straighten my hair, so I think I'm going to go ahead and film that when I get ready to flat iron my hair. So if that's something you would be interested in, look for that video to come up here soon on my channel. My hair is natural. I have naturally curly hair, but in the cooler months, so in the fall and the winter, I like to wear my hair straight just because the humidity is low and it stays straight actually. So yes, if that's something you would be interested in seeing, then just stay tuned for that. Okay guys, so I think that's gonna be it for my Christmas wish list. It's kind of a short wish list, I think. I don't know, I'll see when I'm editing this. But yeah, those are the only things I could think that I would ask for Christmas. I am, like I said, I'm so blessed and I pretty much have everything that I need and that I want. But you know, I feel like the older that I get, Christmas isn't really about the gifts that I receive. I thoroughly enjoy buying gifts for other people. I love buying things for people that they either one would never think to buy for themselves and they end up loving it, or for two, something that they've been wanting and they would just never buy it for themselves. I just love, you know, buying gifts for people, and it kind of just shows them like, you know what, this is what I think of you. I saw this and I thought about you and I thought you should have it. I want you to have it. I thoroughly enjoy shopping for other people, and something about it just makes me feel good on the inside. So yeah, so I think that's why I take so much time in, I mentioned gift wrapping. I take a lot of time to, you know, just put little touches on it, you know, just something to make someone else feel special. So I feel like that's what the holiday season is all about. You know, it's not always all about what somebody's gonna give you. It's about what you're gonna do for someone else. And it may not even be in purchasing a gift. It may just be in being nice to somebody. Speak to somebody you wouldn't normally speak to. If you see somebody look sad, just, you know, smile at them. You know, that may be the only time somebody even acknowledges them in that day. You know, so this is the time of year where, you know, we should just show love to people and just be kind. Just spread kindness, right? Yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave me a comment down below what's on your Christmas wish list for this year, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.